Hello everyone, this is Chandler with the Grace Company Tech Support, and today I'm here to show you how to replace a bulb in our Luminess Light Bar. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the bulb. There's going to be these two metal tabs. You're going to have one on each end, and there's going to be two for each part. So what you'll want to do is take your finger, so you can use a fingernail, flathead screwdriver, whatever you use, and you're going to push down on these tabs. You just want to really make sure you get in there and push down. Sometimes it takes a little elbow grease. And sometimes, yep, see, there you go. Sometimes you want to pull on it too and it'll help. So you'll get the other one as well. That one is a little bit easier, as you can tell. So this is what your light bulb should look like when you have it out. So what we'll pretend to do is we'll pretend that I went and grabbed a new light bulb, and this is our new light bulb, and I'm trying to insert it back in. So what you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to place it kind of in between the tabs at an angle, and then once you have that, you just want to push down until you get them in between the two tabs. So that one went in pretty easy. Okay, so it looks like I've got both of those back in, and when it's finished, this is what it should look like. So that is how you change out a bulb in the Luminess Light Bar.